Okay, my name is Bilyaminu Aliyu, and currently I'm the project manager of the Tax Pro Max in-house build solution, and we're the one managing and making enhancement on it as the need goes by.
So where Tax Pro has to do with terms of different forms such as VIT, VAT.
VAT.
All that is that companies involved in this tax.
Tax Pro Max is not just for filings of returns. It has a lot of functions, starting from registration, filing, payment, and also assessment. These are all done via the system, and there are other add-ons services that are being rendered from Tax Pro Max, which is like the tax clearance certificates that people do get. Yeah.
What is the advantage of Tax Pro Max?
Before I tell you the advantage, let me go back to the items which I've earlier stated above. First of all, registration. The system is actually enabled whereby taxpayers can actually register from the comfort of their home. But because it's a new system we're transiting, that has not been enabled, but it will be enabled maybe by the end of the second quarter of this year, whereby taxpayers will be able to do self-registration from the comfort of their home. And yet again, they can also file from the comfort of the home and also make payment at the same time. And as you know, from the 1st of January 2023, we have made it a one-click button for you to generate your tax clearance certificate if you don't have any tax obligations that are pending. So far so good. That is it. So among the taxes that you can do all your filing returns, excluding that of the carbohydrate taxes, which has to do with some foreign elements. That is why. But all local currency taxes, with regards to VAT, CIT, EDT, withholding, police trust fund, NIDA levy, and what have you, all you can file them on the system. Yeah. The advantage, you cannot rule out the advantage at a go, because the part of the advantage is time saving, cost effective, and many people will actually prefer to actually deal with people online, you understand, or deal with a system which is tentative by the law and everything is being guided. Part of the advantage that people might not even know now is the application of the law. Some people will not really know some of the benefits of the law, but the system has been embedded with the benefits of the law. So when you are there, it's going to guide you to the max your benefit without you changing the service or the country, or this country changing you. So that is part of the major achievement, because a lot of people are not educated when it comes to tax activities. But with this, it's actually going to guide you from step A, B to the end without much difficulties. Regards to the compliance level, the compliance has gone up drastically, and we are hoping it's going to go up because a lot of people are getting to know of the solution now, day by day. So as time goes on, we are going to see very high compliance turnout.
That's for now.
Yes, that's for now. Yeah.
We are now coming back to tax clearance.
Tax clearance certificate is actually a legal tender that is being issued by a legal document being issued by FIRS to certify that they are so far till that level okay with your tax performance and you are actually compliant. And in tax clearance has never been easy like it is today. Like I said, if you visit tcc.firs.gov.ng, which is also a subcomponent of Tax Pro Max, with a click of a button, you will generate your tax clearance, and it's been visible by all stakeholders for validation purposes.
What are its uses?
Uses of tax clearance, you see, most of the government agencies will require you to present a tax clearance certificate before you can actually engage in doing government businesses. Also, the BP Bureau of Public Procurement that issues certificate for you to actually do bid for contract within government will require you to submit such kind of documents. Also, the Nigerian Port Authority, mostly sometimes when you are doing import, they will demand that from you. And for corporate entities who are into credit servicing, also the banks will require you to submit such documents. So the document is actually a document to just show your compliance level, but it's been enforced by most of these MDAs and other stakeholders.
Who's eligible for tax clearance?
Eligibility for tax clearance, it's everybody is eligible, be you even if you are an individual or you're a corporate entity. Though for FIRS we deal with corporate entities, and it's something you need yearly to get, so that you can actually show to your customers or your clients that you are actually a tax compliant person and you're a patriotic person or a business person doing well legit business in Nigeria. That is why you can present to them. Some people, you can see they hang it up in the shelf in their offices to tell people, yeah, we're actually tax compliant and they're patriotic citizens. Yeah.
Is there any legal requirements for this tax clearance?
The legal requirement for you to get tax clearance is nothing but for you to be tax compliant. Once you are compliant, you will get it. That is why it's statutory. The requirements are there. Once you meet the requirement, you just click your button and the system will generate and issue you one.
Is there a duration?
Yes, every tax clearance expires by the end of the year.
Just a year.
Yeah, it's an accounting cycle. So by the 31st of December, every tax clearance expires by that day. So from 1st of January, you have to get new one. So for smart people, what they do is by 1st of January, they just come to the system, click, because by then, the system will also be refreshed for the new cycle of tax clearance certificates.
What is the process?
Like I said, the process is simple. You log on to taxpromax.firs.gov.ng and you log in with your credentials. And then there's a link there, you see tax clearance, click on it, and then you just see the button. As simple as that. If you are good, you click, it will generate. If you have any pending, it will tell you have XYZ pending. Until you sort this things out, you cannot be issued a tax clearance.
So to make it simple to citizens, can you extend that duration?
Duration, this is statutory. We don't make the law, we only implement. So there is no need for us to extend. If the citizens want it to be extended, the law should provide, make that provision for that.
The last one.
It pays to pay your tax. Thank you.